You're not afraid of being yourself. You're afraid of what happens when you let your guard down. So you stay careful, you stay controlled, you stay protected. And you tell yourself, this is just how I am. Here's the truth. What you call personality is often protection. And psychology explains how that protection forms and how it softens. The brain prioritizes safety over authenticity. Before it asks, who am I? It asks, am I safe? When safety is uncertain, expression narrows. You hide parts of yourself, not because they're wrong, but because they feel risky. A guarded self is not a false self, it's a protected one. Over time, protective behaviors repeat. Staying quiet, staying agreeable, staying invisible, and repetition shapes identity. Eventually, protection feels like personality. This is why people struggle to tell who they really are anymore. Many people try to heal by forcing openness, be vulnerable, be confident, be authentic, but force creates threat. Think about a moment when you tried to be yourself but felt exposed instead. What did your body do? Safety isn't created by pressure, it's created by consistency. Safety isn't a mindset, it's a nervous system state. The mind learns safety through repeated experiences of non-threat. Small moments, predictable environments, gentle honesty, and this is why big breakthroughs are rare, but small shifts matter. Psychology shows a gradual path. Inner safety returns when the mind trusts that expression won't lead to harm. Here's what helps. First, stabilize before expressing. Calm comes first. Second, practice low-risk honesty. Truth doesn't have to be dramatic. Third, stay present with discomfort. Safety grows when discomfort is survived, not avoided. Inner safety builds through experience, not affirmation. You don't need to become someone new. You need to feel safe being who you already are. Protection kept you going. Now, awareness helps you soften it, not all at once, but enough to feel real again.